ERi-TV news broadcast crew and I, Delete Ahaya, are now ready for your daily news briefing at 10:30 local time. But first, let us catch up with the major headlines. Ambassador Fushatsiyon Petros presents credentials. Monetary contribution to support families of martyrs from nationals from Germany. Hamas leader Sinwar killed by Israel, obscuring protest to ceasefire talks. NATO pledged nearly $43.5 billion in military aid for Ukraine. On our local news, World Food Day and the International Day Mr. Fushatsiyon Petros, Eritrean ambassador to Republic of Italy, has presented the credentials for King Carl Gustaf, 16th of Sweden, at the non-residential ambassador country. At the event held on 16th October, Ambassador Fushatsiyon stated that Eritrea has been working to enhance bilateral relations between the two countries and expressed Eritrea's readiness to further strengthen ties with Sweden. Ambassador Fushatsiyon also met and held talks with Swedish Chief of Protocol, Ambassador Ms. Maria Kristina Lakovitz, State Secretary of Foreign Affairs, and Lavrez Makrov, Sweden Ambassador to Eritrea, Ms. Jenny Halsen, and other Swedish officials, focusing on strengthening bilateral relations and other relevant issues. Mr. Mohammed Ali Mohammed Said, head of the Public Community Affairs at the Eritrean Embassy in Scandinavia, was presented at the meeting. Eritrean nationals and organizations in Germany have contributed 125,000 euros to support the families of martyrs, according to the Ministry of Labour and Social Welfare. Among the contributors, members of the 20 June Association donated over 5,200 euros. National Holiday Organizing Committee in Frankfurt contributed over 4,700 euros, and Tanat Group in Germany donated over 2,200 euros, and Eritrean community in Klarsland contributed over 5,000 euros. Additionally, nationals in Netherlands contributed over 4,900 euros via the Eritrean Embassy in Hague. In Germany, 91 nationals donated over 6,000 euros through Eritrean Embassy in Berlin, while 49 others contributed more than 37,900 euros via Eritrean Consul General's Office in Frankfurt. Martyr Share Company organized a training program focused on Kaizen philosophy with duration ranging from 3 months to 1 year. The Kaizen training program was provided to 74 employees, including 22 women. At the graduation ceremony held in 17th October, the manager of Martyr Share Company, Mr. Germay Abraham, elaborated on the Kaizen philosophy, explaining the concept which originates from Japan and is rooted in continuous improvement, has gained significant recognition from its transformative impact on organizations. The head of the human resources at the company, Engineer Nahom Million, stated that Martyr Share Company has been working to transfer knowledge it has gained from automobile companies it represents, as well as its experience to society. The trainees, while expressing their importance of the training in their daily tasks, thanked the company for providing the opportunities to advance their skills. Martyr Share Company has conducted 12 graduation ceremonies since its inception 27 years ago. Dear viewers, we'll be back with the international news shortly. Stay tuned. Welcome back. The Israel Defense Forces and the Israel Security Agency jointly confirmed that Thursday that Hamas leader Yahya Sinwar was killed in Gaza Strip by Israeli soldiers on Wednesday. The IDF said the soldiers killed 3 militants in the operation, and later it turned out that one of them was Sinwar, who was responsible for the murder and abduction of many Israelis. According to a statement, Sinwar was killed after hiding over the past year behind civilian population in Gaza, both above and below ground, in Hamas tunnels in Gaza Strip. Shortly before the IDF statement, Israeli Foreign Minister Israel Katz confirmed Sinwar's death in a message of foreign ministers of the other countries, saying that this is a great military and moral achievement for Israel. Sinwar was born in October 1962 in Khan Yunis refuge camp in the southern Gaza Strip. He had joined an Israeli prison multiple times before his final release in 2011. On our last news, NATO new chief on Wednesday announced a military aid package for Ukraine over $40 billion, reaffirming the alliance for long-term commitment in bolstering Ukraine's defense against Russia's war. Addressing the NATO Defense Ministry, Secretary General Mark Rutte stressed the urgent need to enhance defense industrial capacity and resilience across all domains. He highlighted that while NATO made significant progress in munitions production and manufacturing of military equipment, the current output still falls short. Rutte further emphasized NATO's commitment to ensuring Ukrainian long-term security and readiness for its allies. Dear viewers, we've come to the end of tonight's news. Let's have a quick recap of the headlines. Ambassador Fishatun Petros presents radio shows. Monetary contribution to support families of martyrs from nationals from Germany. Hamas leader Sinwar killed by Israel, obscuring prospect of the ceasefire talks. NATO pledged nearly $43.5 billion in a military aid for Ukraine. That wraps up our stories for tonight. Thanks for watching and have a good night.